N8N templates. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open N8N.io in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, create it first by following the sign-up process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the home page or dashboard. From here, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Templates option to proceed. A new window will appear showing available templates. You can use the search bar at the top to find a specific template, or scroll through the list manually to find one that suits your needs. Once you find a template you want to use, click on it to open its details page. On the Templates page, click the Use for Free button to proceed. A pop-up window will appear with an option Choose Import Template to your cloud workspace. Click on this option to import the template into your workspace. Once the import is complete, your selected template will be ready to use in your N8N environment. You can now begin customizing the template by editing its title, description, or any other elements to suit your project requirements.